So hello students, welcome in today's video, and today we are going to look at the double E single E rule. The double E single E rule. What do I mean by this? We're going to look at how words with double E, how they are pronounced, and words with single E, how do we pronounce them. Okay, so let's start with the word like tiara double E. This is pronounced as tree because double E, while tiara single E is pronounced as tray. What's the difference? Okay, so the difference comes from the double E and single E rule. Okay, remember you have to note double E, words with double E are pronounced with Y sound. Once again, words with double E carry the Y sound. Y is as if you pronounce letter I according to vowel letters. And we say letter I is pronounced as Y sound. So words with double E, they carry that Y sound. Hope we are together. While words with single E are pronounced as A sound, as we saw, because it carries the vowel A sound. Once again, words with single E are pronounced as A sound, while words with double E are pronounced as Y sound. Hope we are together. Okay, let's have some examples and you understand it very well. A word with double E, B, double E, is pronounced as B. It is as if here where there is double E, there is I. And we say I according to vowel letters Y. So that's why here we say B, B, not B, but B because of double E. So B is pronounced as B. C, S, double E is pronounced as C. It's as if where there is double E, there is I, which is C. When we say C, this word carries double E. So that's why we say coffee because of double E. It's not like coffee, but coffee. Because double E carries the E sound. So we're going to say coffee, coffee. Weed, because of double E, we say weed, weed. Hope we are together. Okay, let's see words with single E. How do we pronounce them? Words with single E, like yes. This is not yes because it is single E. So we're going to say yes because E carries the sound of A. That's why we say yes. Send, single E, send. Set. Hope we are together. This is set. If it was double E, we say sit, but set. Hope you understand. Okay, so these words, they carry vowel A sound. Hope we are together. I made a video on vowel letters, how they are pronounced, so you can view the video on vowel letters. Okay, that is the double E single E rule. Let's have some exercise and you understand what I'm talking about. Can you pronounce these words clearly? This one is need. Super. Peer. Are we together? This one is fate. Once again, this one is need because of double E. Need. If it was single E, we say need, but this is need because of double E. Peer. Peer. This is fate because of single E. Fate. This is tail because of single E. Tail. Okay, if you've passed the pronunciation, that is good of you. Okay, that is it in this video. Let's meet up in the next video. Here we'll learn English with ease. Bye-bye.